Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple, empty plastic water bottle, often overlooked as trash, into a powerful, multifunctional device. You might think it's only good for holding water, but I'll show you how to give it a completely new. I'll start by marking a line around the top of the bottle. This precise line will guide my cut, ensuring an even and neat separation. Now, I'm using an angle grinder to carefully cut along the line I just marked. This tool provides a clean, straight cut through the plastic, which is essential for creating a smooth edge for our antenna base. With the top section cut, this piece is what we'll transform into the core of our TV antenna. To ensure a perfectly smooth and safe edge, I'm carefully trimming the inner and outer rims of the plastic ring with a utility knife. This removes any rough bits from the cutting process, making it safer to handle and improving the overall aesthetic. Next, I'm using a piece of sandpaper to further smooth the edges of the plastic ring. This step is crucial for both safety, preventing any sharp edges, and for ensuring a good adhesion surface for the components we'll add later. I'm marking 3 equidistant points around the outer edge of the plastic ring with a marker. These marks will serve as guides for drilling holes, which are necessary for attaching additional components evenly. Using a drill, I'm carefully making small holes at each of the marked points. These holes will be used to secure metal fasteners and wires, so precision here helps with the structural integrity of our antenna. Now, I'm unwrapping a sheet of aluminum foil. This material is excellent for reflecting signals, a key component for our homemade antenna. I'll lay it flat to prepare for the next step. I'm placing the plastic ring onto the aluminum foil and tracing its shape with a marker. This ensures the foil piece will perfectly match the size and curvature of our plastic base, making it a snug fit. Carefully, I'm cutting the aluminum foil. This piece will act as a reflective dish, helping to focus the television signals towards our receiving elements. I'm applying a generous amount of glue around the inner edge of the plastic ring. This adhesive will securely bond the aluminum foil to the plastic, forming a stable reflective surface. Now, I'm carefully pressing the cut aluminum foil onto the glued plastic ring, smoothing out any wrinkles. I want to make sure there are no air bubbles, as a smooth surface is crucial for optimal signal reflection. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. To reinforce the foil and create contact points, I'm inserting drill bit through the pre-drilled holes in the plastic ring. These will ensure a strong physical and electrical connection. I'm adding more fasteners around the rim of the foil-covered plastic ring. This helps to further secure the foil and provides additional points for our wiring connections. This wire will carry the captured signal from the reflective dish to the main receiver unit. I carefully secured the red wire through the screws. Proper wiring ensures clear signal transmission. Using a screwdriver, I'm tightening all the metal fasteners into place. A secure connection is vital for both the structural integrity and the conductive path of our antenna. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm preparing a small red wire into a circle around the rim of the plastic ring by stripping the insulation. This will be a crucial part of our signal receiving system. I'm securing the red wire loop to the screw. A secure connection here is crucial for maintaining good conductivity and preventing signal loss. To keep everything securely in place, I used electrical tape to firmly secure the wires around the mouth of the plastic water bottle, which reinforced the structure and insulated the wires. Here is our completed wired reflector dish. It's ready to be integrated with the rest of the antenna system. Let's move on to preparing the receiving element. I'm taking a Coca-Cola can, ensuring it's completely open. I'm pouring out the water from the can into a mug. We only need the empty can for our project, and I'm certainly not going to let this go to waste. With the can empty, I'm preparing the bottom section for our antenna. I'm thoroughly sanding the bottom of the Coca-Cola can. This creates an aluminum disc that improves electrical contact for the components we will be adding. I'm marking a center point and 3 points around the bottom of the can. These marks will guide the placement of the holes for our receiving coils, ensuring an even distribution. I'm drilling holes into each of the marked points on the can bottom. These holes are essential for mounting the receiving coils and providing a pathway for the electrical connections. I'll use a valve and attach the modified bottom of the can to it with a screw and a nut. This will serve as the base for our central receiver. I'm tightening the screw with the pliers to ensure the can bottom is firmly secured to the handle. A stable connection is crucial for the antenna's performance. Now for the core of our signal reception. I'm taking a piece of wire and wrapping it tightly around a screwdriver, forming a small coil. This coil acts as an inductor, an essential part of an antenna. I'll remove the coil from the screwdriver and trim any excess wire. I need several of these, so I'm repeating the process to create identical coils. I'm attaching coils to small holes in the bottom of the can. These coils will be the main element for receiving television signals. Here's the completed coil assembly, now ready to be connected to the main antenna structure. It looks complex, but each part has a purpose in capturing those elusive signals. I'm carefully attaching the coils to the base made of aluminum foil by securing these spring wires with small screws. This establishes the electrical connection between the coils and the reflective dish. I'm ensuring all the coils are securely fastened to the base. A firm connection ensures that the signals captured by the coils are efficiently transferred to the rest of the circuit. Now I'm going to take a red cap and drill a hole in the center. I will add a long screw to the bottle cap and it will be securely fastened with a screw. I'm currently connecting the blue wire to the screw on the red cap. This connection allows for maximum signal strength. Next, I'm connecting these wires to the main base unit, where they will then transfer the collected signals through the main antenna cable. Proper insulation is important here. I'm carefully stripping the ends to expose the copper wire for connection. I'm now working on the main antenna cable, which will transmit the signal to the television. I connected the red wire to the central copper core and the blue wire to the braided sheath. A tight connection is essential for signal quality. Now, at the other end of the coaxial cable, I'm stripping it again to attach an F connector. This is a standard connector for TV antennas, and it's critical for a secure and lossless connection to your television. Next, I'm attaching an L-shaped coaxial adapter to the other end of the cable. This angled connector will make it easier to plug into the TV. And there you have it, our complete DIY TV antenna system. It looks pretty cool and is ready for action. Watch this. Before, the TV signal was unstable, often pixelated or showing no channels at all. But now, with our homemade antenna, I'm connecting the antenna to the TV. No complex wiring, just plug and play. Look at that crystal clear picture. All those local channels coming in perfectly. It's truly amazing what you can do with a little ingenuity and some recycled materials. I can easily switch between channels, and each one comes in clear and vibrant. This DIY antenna has completely transformed my viewing experience, proving you don't need expensive equipment for great results. Let's take a closer look at the connection. Simple, effective, and powered purely by recycled materials. It's an eco-friendly and budget-friendly solution all in one. From struggling with a weak signal to enjoying crisp, clear channels, this homemade antenna is a game changer. It's a fantastic example of how creativity can solve everyday problems. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected items you'd like to see me transform next. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.